Hello everybody, this is Gabriel. I just wanted to provide you an update on the Bitcoin chart. As you might remember, like 3 weeks ago, I did my last update. It was based here on this pattern, this S1 pattern on the daily chart with this rebreak here and an entry based on a discount. So I've drawn here this pullback. I actually bought a portion here. Yeah, I was hoping that we find a support here at this level, which is per price support. But we've seen, well, today we've seen a big sell-off day. So today we've lost about 7% down here. Well, we've recovered slightly, but it's a big sell-off a day. Well, it's not unusual. We had another sell-off day here a bit earlier, but still, yeah, this trade idea is still valid, right? So if this is the original standard entry, well, the stop is down here at this orange line, and the discount idea is still there, well, especially with this one. So I've actually added a second position to scale, to scale into the trade. I only started with a small position, and now I've added another, it's not another fraction of what I'm willing to put into Bitcoin. So it's heavily overextended now from the moving averages. I'm expecting actually a bounce back. So we are overextended on the daily. We're overextended on the 240. We're even kind of overextended on the weekly chart. So this stop level here, it's at a very good stop. So whenever this level gets threatened, well, I'm going to be out of both positions. So I won't lose a lot on this one because it's very close. But obviously, being that close, the risk is higher to actually cross that level lower. If the level is crossed, well, I'm out, and then I'm expecting that Bitcoin comes down to the 6,000 level, or even down to the 200 moving average, which is at around 5,300. Well, then I would be even more happy to get in at a lower price. So, but this is the red line. Here that shouldn't be crossed. I'm still confident that we are actually seeing a recovery. Like after this overextension, there should be a bounce back at least. Well, a typical bounce back would be, well, again here to this red line. That's per price resistance, and we're going to meet, like, once price is up here, we're going to meet with 21 resistance. The 21 will move lower, and the 200 will be close. We might see now a bounce back. Bull strength should come in after the bulls have been slaughtered by the bears, and then we'll have to see if the bulls are strong enough actually to push price above the red line and above the 200, and this could still develop as a great trade here on the daily chart. If we cross this level, well, then we are back here again at the weekly chart. Then we are most likely seeing a more pronounced pullback after this great up run. We're going to see a pullback. Well, the next level of support is well, there's nothing in the way. It's a 6,000, and then the big number. So, and then the 200, and then it might even spike the 200 and dive into this area. I'm not expecting that this level is broken. Like, I'm not expecting to see prices below 3,500. So anything between breaking this level, like anything between the 6,000 and basically the 3,200 are opportunities for me to start to build a position. So we'll see how that goes. Here on the well, let's change it to the 15 minutes. Oh yeah, that's a spike, right? We had a 15-minute spike here. That might be an exhaustion move. That is the end of this down spike overall on the daily, and we might see a counter trend rally basically. And well, let's see how it goes. I would have preferred if price finds support here at the red line, obviously. A bounce off the 200 and the red line and a rebreak above 10,000, but that's how it looks like. We have to acknowledge what the market is doing, and to me it still looks good. So I would have preferred, obviously, to get a better entry and have the stop further away. So I hope that was of help and of interest.